How do humates improve my soil health?
Okay, in terms of the crop plants, the humic substances cause eustress or beneficial stress in plants. Uh, Plants always experience some kind of stress throughout the growing season. And humic substances result in an upregulation of, for example, photosynthetic activity and enhanced fine root system development for uptake of water and nutrients so that the plants are better able to withstand stress when it occurs. And of course, many times this also results in enhanced productivity by the crop plants. In terms of the soil, the effect on the plants also results in improved excretion of root exudates, which enhances soil microbial activity and actually selects for beneficial microbes. The more microbes that are produced, they all have water in them, so you get an increased water content in the soil. You can tell this when you walk on a nice healthy soil because it's spongy. And then the microbes also produce exudates, carbohydrates that bind soil particles together and enhance the soil structure. So this is how humic materials enhance soil health, is an indirect effect of the biostimulant effect on plants. In addition, there's a lot of talk about adding carbon to the soil, and the enhanced root exudates as a result of the biostimulant effect that humic substances have on plants add carbon to the soil and also enhance the microbial activity. And then when these microbes die, they add carbon to the soil, and then they enhance fine root structure. When the fine roots die, they also add carbon to the soil. So again, it's kind of an indirect effect. And one of the myths I'd like to dispel is that when you add humic substances to soil, it doesn't enhance the water holding capacity. It doesn't enhance the carbon exchange or the cation exchange capacity. And it doesn't enhance soil structure. These are all indirect benefits of the biostimulant activity of humic substances. When you think about adding 2 gallons of a product to an acre of soil, and it only contains 10% humic acids, the amount of carbon that you're actually adding is minute. It's just a drop in the bucket. But the indirect effects of the biostimulant activity is what adds carbon to the soil. One of the benefits of the humic substance biostimulant effect is an enhanced nutrient use efficiency afforded to plants. Because of the enhanced energy, there's more energy for uptake of water and nutrients. With the more ramified root system that's produced by humic acid or humic substance treated plants, there's more foraging capacity. And the other thing that happens is nutrients are taken up by plants through protein, what we call transporters, that exist in the cell membranes of plants. And plants that are treated with humic substances have more of these proteins. So not only do you have more root foraging capacity, but you have more chances for uptake of nutrients by the enhanced numbers of transporters, and you have more energy for uptake and moving the nutrients around. So you can actually use less nitrogen when you treat with humic substances, which decreases the impact of nitrogen on the environment, but also lets the farmer spend less on his fertilizer.